A Time to Resources Retrieval Practice Plus workbook for AQA Applied General Business, Unit 4 Managing and Leading People. This A4 workbook is spiral bound for ease of use, making it very student friendly. With a focus on retrieval practice to make sure the students have all of the key knowledge organised ready for exam success, clearly follows the specification. Key terms to check knowledge of all terminology. Identify questions to match the specification. Elaborative interrogation by asking students to explain key points. Asking how and why to encourage a greater depth and to help students start to analyse points. All supplied with an answer guide to ensure students can self-assess, peer assess or to involve parents or guardians. Also available is the highly popular Unit 4 Pocket Revision Guide from Time to Resources, all written by experienced examiners, authors and teachers Helen and Carlo, available at timetoresources.co.uk.